Welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. I just jumped in the Classic, threw my stuff in, and we're going. We gotta go right now. Where are we going? Well, the junkyard just got a notification saying that we got a green D1 at the scrapyard, and we're gonna go get it. Gotta go get it. And I just checked the inventory again, and they've got an L322, so let's go, baby! Whee! Nothing like taking garbage to go see garbage. Yeah, I'm a grown man with a job and a kid and a house and many cars, but I'm running to the junkyard right now in search of old Land Rover parts. Is that normal? And here she is. It is green. It has shiny paint, and this is a 4-liter, maybe a 99, later model. Got good headlights. I got turn signals. I got mirrors. I got seats, power seat switches. Let's go, baby. Let's get this. Let's get these parts. Woo! All the good. Oop! I got a manual. Nice, and it's full mold. It is crusty. Oh, and it's got a good locking transfer case. We got window switches. Let's go to the races. So I just pulled the dipstick, and that's not good. That's not what you want to see, boys. Not what you want to see. But everything else. Ooh, that's a green grill. That is a crack-free green grill. So this is definitely like a 90 something. Good non-rusty axles. Bilstein. Got the mat. Pretty excited if you couldn't tell. It's got some good wood here. D2 mats. I always have D2 mats. Add those to the collection, I guess. I wonder if these are Land Rovers. I don't know. Probably. Seat switches for sure. Gonna grab those. Doorwood speakers. Console top. Man, Ducks Unlimited stuff. This is good. Land Rover, got the 50th anniversary sticker on it, so I guess it's a 98. Sunroofs, tail lights. That's good. More lugs. Bumper, non-crack lights. Even got a key, so you got some working locks. And I'm missing one of these. And the tire cover. Adding to the pile of spoils. This is awesome. Well, I'm gonna stop filming and do this. Woo! The stack is getting bigger, but man, this is a good frame. Everything under here is good. This time I can't even remember everything that I need for my personal truck. It's good plastics, but she's not rusted out, that's for sure. It's pretty honest and dry under there. Also, it looks like it hasn't moved in a while, but kind of par for the course. Ooh, there we go. I pretty much have a whole D1 shoved up in this pile. I don't think it gets any better than that. Pretty much scavenged the whole thing as best as I could think of. Again, I've got a 3-liter, this is a 4-liter. Wish there was more engine components I could use. I might come back for these door switches. Of course, this was perfect, but I cracked it getting out. I still might get the Speedo at some point, and this center console's in perfect shape. I should definitely grab that one as well. Here's some of the switch binnacles and whatnot. Also, I mean, I don't know, the mirror maybe. I'm not really sure what else is of much value on here. But yeah, no, I think that's good for today's haul. Let's get out of here, man. See what that L322 looks like. Yeah, I think I'm good. Well, that comes the radiator and some wheels. Looks like someone's pulled out the expensive bits like compressors and stuff. It's funny, when these things die, you can't get in the trunk, so anything that's in the trunk's gonna stay there. Oh, 04. It'd be nice to find a backup camera, but can't be so lucky. Ooh, they say one man's trash is another man's treasure, boys. Look at this haul. Got cup holders. I got the tire cover, I got the grill, I got the tail lights, I got the headlights, got the turning signals, I got the air box, I got the under leg thing, I got the cruise control module, I got the seat switches, I got the manuals, I got the window switches, got the binnacle switches. Shoo, shoo. All right, so that's the haul all cleaned up. Again, I think I paid about 200 bucks for all of this, and there's more in there, and I gotta clean up the mat still, but you know, I don't have a D1 mat in my truck. My headlights are all askew. I don't know, do you guys prefer the orange taillights or the red taillights? I now have a choice. I'd love the rear tire bits. That's fun. Those are really hard to find. I'm really glad I found one. I don't think it'll fit though on this wheel unless it's a steel one. We'll see. I don't remember. Air box is good because those are brake. Those cup holders are worth at least 65 bucks. Those are getting really expensive. Got a couple broken turn signals on this one. So, you know, that's a win in my book. Slightly different green, Epsom green versus, I can't remember what color green I have, but it's the little stuff, guys, that makes me excited. This switch, this panel, pretty expensive. As you saw my video with the Golden Rovers equipment. It was messed up. I have an L230 transfer case, knob, seat switches, and then this, because mine is pretty gross and disgusting. This is the one that goes where the leg kick bash, whatever you want to call it. It's in good shape. Cruise control module, and then another roof rail or two because I lost mine at one of the last events, so good to go. So a little bit of a spontaneous video, but again, I appreciate you watching. I hope you know, this stuff you find it as exciting as I do, because all these parts are getting more and more valuable, more and more expensive. So if I get a chance to go grab them, you never know what might break. Keeps these trucks on the road, and it kind of keeps me busy. So thanks for watching. I'm actually trying to get all Dad's new Rover parts. So I'm sitting here editing the video that I'm about to post for this Junkyard D1, and I posted some pictures of it on Instagram. Some guy hits me up and is like, hey, is that a 98 D1? I said, yeah, it's in the junkyard. He's like, yeah, that was my old truck. It has the 4-liter, was recently had head gaskets done. It had new suspension and a few other things. So I was kind of tracking when I found, oh yeah, and a new radiator. So if you're local and you want some bits, you know, I can't use it with the 3.9 that I have, but there's some good stuff out there. You should go check it out.